Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who's using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, F series, J series, M series. If you're using any series of Samsung Android smartphone, and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and after hard reset when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome pop-up and language start and emergency call option. Okay, so you can see here my phone's battery is too low to process this method. That's why I have connected my smartphone charger at the time of using this method. Okay, so when you will go through all the process, let's check what happened here. You have to tap on this agree to all and go to the agree here. Go to the more and agree. Yeah, one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, in this method your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network because it's mandatory. So I'm going to connect my phone's Wi-Fi network. It will take some time, so you will have to stay here. So you can see here after hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock, but you will get an option that will show here use my Google account instead. You have to tap on this option. So it will reach to this page where you will get an option that will show Google verifying your account. So this lock is known as FRP lock, which is generated by the Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen. So you will get an option where you have to fill here your email ID or phone number. So if you have your email ID and phone number, then you can easily go through this process and switch on your smartphone. But if you don't have your Gmail ID remember, then you can see here you're not getting any skip option on this page. So in this video I will tell you how you will get a skip option in this page, because this lock is known as FRP lock, and without bypass your FRP lock you can't switch on your smartphone after hard reset. Okay, so after that you will have to go to the back option to make some changes in your settings. After that you will get a skip option on FRP lock page. Okay, so firstly you will have to change your language, and you will have to change your language from English India to English US. Then after you will have to tap on this OK option. Now after that you can see here you're getting here another option that will show here emergency call. Simply you will have to tap on this one, and you will have to dial a special USSD code, that is star hash 0 star hash, and when you will tap this star hash 0 star hash, you will reach to this page. Here you will get multiple options, but you have to go to the option that will show here sensor, and when you will tap on the sensor option, you can see you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display, but you can see here your touch is not working on the display here. So you have to wait here for minimum 5 seconds, maximum there is no limit. Then after you will have to go to the back option here. Now after that you will have to come on this version option. Again you will have to tap on this version, and you will have to wait on your this page for minimum 5 seconds. Okay, then when your minimum 5 seconds will be done, again you will have to come to the back page, and you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now after that you will have to tap on this start option here. You will have to tap on this agree to all and go to the agree option. Okay, now more and agree. From here you will have to switch on your phone's talkback option. For this you will have to press the power button and the volume up button. Press, hold and release to switch on your phone's talkback option. So here you will have to do this. Release. Now after that you will have to tap on this use option. Again you will have to repeat the process. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now you will have to double tap on this while using the app. You will have to tap on this use voice commands. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. So when your phone's setting option will be appear on your phone display, you will have to switch off your talkback option, and for this you will have to repeat the process again. Okay, so you can see here the talkback option has been switched off. So you can see here you will get a lock option. You can see here at the top of the phone the lock option is showing here. So you will have to make some changes in this page, and for this you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen. Okay, so the first option is showing here is screen lock type. So you can see here screen lock type is showing swipe, but when you will tap on this option you can see here it's not working. So don't worry at all. Here you will have to tap on this screen lock type option rapidly 9 times. So mark my words, you have to tap on this rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now after that you will have to scroll down and you will have to come to the option that will show here face recognition option, and after that you will have to tap on this continue option 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now after that go to the back option here. Now again the second option is showing here fingerprint. You will have to tap on this one. Again you will have to repeat the process 6 times. Continue option 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now go to the back option here. Now in this page you will get an option that will show here about lock screen. Tap on this one and you will have to tap on this open source license. Okay, now here you will get a URL. So you can see here you will get here URL. You will have to copy this URL. Okay, now go to the back and you will have to exit from this setting page and come to the back starting page. Now after that you will have to tap on this add network option, and here you will have to come on this setting option. Now here you will have to make some changes. Firstly you will have to scroll down, come to the option that will show here reset to default setting, and you will have to tap on this reset keyboard setting and reset. Tap on this erase personalized protection and erase. Go to the back option. Now after that you will have to come on this language and types option. You will have to tap on this manage input language. Here you will have to switch on all the languages where the English will be showing. So you will have to switch on this English UK, US, and yeah, another English is showing. You will have to switch on these ones. Go to the back option. Again you will have to go to the back. Now after that you will have to come on this text shortcut option. Here you will have to tap on this add option. Now here you will have to copy that URL in second option, and in this you will have to type only bypass. Okay, then after you will have to tap on this add option. Go to the back and exit. Now all the settings has been done. After that I'm going to start the process again, and let's check are you getting your escape option on the FRP lock or not. So after that you will have to tap on this start option, agree to all, go to the agree here. Now go to the more, agree. Now after that you will have to tap on this next option. Now after that you will have to tap on this don't copy. So my friend, you can see here you are getting here a skip option with the help of some changes in your settings. You can also get a skip option on this FRP lock page. So now you can easily skip this page here without Gmail ID credential. Okay, now after that you will have to tap on this accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password lock, so you can use from this page. So right now I will make a new pattern lock in my smartphone. Now after that, go to the confirm and go to the next page, tap on this OK. Now go to the next. Skip this page here, finish here, okay, agree, select your language, continue here, select your gender and age, next. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked. With this method you can also bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. When your phone has been hard reset, again you will check your phone will again ask your pin pattern and password lock. So after FRP bypass you can completely unlock your Samsung Android smartphone. So thank you so much. See you in your next video.